Hi, my name is Amrish. You're watching Gourmet at Home. Today I will be preparing a recipe of dal makhani, one of the most savour dish that you will see on any Indian menu or on any Indian dining table. Sometimes the conclusion of entire meal is based on the quality of dal makhani served on the table. But do we cook dal makhani at home? 80% of the people they order dal makhani from outside because they think either the process is too long or it's too complicated for them. But after watching today's video of dal makhani, you will feel more confident and comfortable about this recipe, and you will be cooking dal makhani in your kitchen for your guests who are visiting your home next time. So let's start preparing the recipe of dal makhani. For this recipe of dal makhani, we need black lentil, which is our urad dal. We need kidney beans, chana dal, ginger garlic paste, butter, cream, kasuri methi, Kashmiri chili powder, and lots of fresh tomato puree. So let's start first by washing the lentil and soaking them in water, which is one of the most important step in this recipe. So when we are washing the black lentil, we need to rub the lentil between the hands so that all the impurities dissolve in water and we can easily wash them away. Most of the time we just soak the black lentil but we don't wash them. So you can see that after rubbing the lentils for 2 minutes, the water is almost turning into black. So it's very important that we need to wash the lentils carefully at least for 10 minutes in a running water. And then we have to soak them in a fresh water. Here I have the lentils which I have washed and soaked them for 10 hours. So we will be using these soaked lentils for the recipe. Now the third step is also about cleaning the lentils. So we will boil the lentils along with water. So now you can see at this stage lentils are green or light greyish in color. They are no more black lentils. In India, dal makhani was invented by Kundan Lal Gujral, the same person who invented butter chicken. Kundan Lal Gujral used to work in a small restaurant in Peshawar named Mokeda Dhaba, the restaurant which was owned by Mokha Singh. When Mokha Singh was not well, he sold his restaurant to Kundan Lal Gujral, who later changed the name of a restaurant as Moti Mahal. Post-partition, Kundan Lal Gujral migrated to India with his legacy of Moti Mahal at Daryaganj in Old Delhi, and the dal makhani was born. The lentils are boiling for almost 15 to 20 minutes and we can see the impurities have started appearing on the surface of the pot. At this stage, we will strain the lentils. After boiling the lentils, you can see the color of lentils have changed from light green to dark brown. So it's very important to understand your ingredients and the process. Now we will start cooking the lentils in a pressure cooker. So here the real cooking will happen. Now along with the black lentils, I will put the kidney beans, which I have also soaked 8 to 10 hours before preparing this recipe, the chana dal, 1 teaspoon of salt, approximately 1 tablespoon of oil, water, and now we will continue cooking the black lentils inside the pressure cooker until 4 to 5 whistles. Dal makhani or black lentil is always considered to be a part of the community cooking in olden days. Dal was cooked in big cooking pots on slow burners. Tomatoes were never used as a part of the recipe. It was the curd which was used as a souring agent. Cream and butter add richness to the preparation. It was Kundan Lal Gujral who transformed the recipe by adding tomatoes to it, and the rest is history. After the 5 whistles, I'll put off the flame and rest the pressure cooker on side, and I'll start working with the masala. For the masala, we will start first by adding oil to the pan. So I am adding approximately 3 tablespoons of oil. So once the oil is ready, I will add 1 small ladle of ginger garlic paste. After ginger garlic paste, I will add 3 teaspoons of chili powder. So I am using Kashmiri chili powder for this recipe, so it's not spicy, but it will add a nice bright red color to the dal makhani. After adding chili powder, I will add freshly grated tomatoes. Most of the recipes you will see people are using canned tomatoes for dal makhani, but when we are making dal makhani at home, I would suggest to use fresh red tomato puree for this. Now you can see at this stage, dal is perfectly boiled, and we'll add the dal to the tomato masala. After adding the dal to the masala, we will add water. And we'll continue cooking the dal for another 10 to 15 minutes. When you see white lentil has come out from the skin, it means the dal is perfectly boiled for this recipe. Also, chana dal and kidney beans adds onto the viscosity and nice texture to this dal makhani. At this stage, we will add butter and we will add cream along with milk. Now after 15 minutes continuously stirring the dal, you can see the texture of the dal is almost like a butter now. And at this stage, we will add fenugreek leaves and then we'll add some desi ghee. People say dal makhani is all about butter, but I believe if you respect your ingredients, if you follow the right process, your ingredients will shine like a butter. This is what happened in this recipe. So let's start doing the plating of dal makhani. So here is the dal makhani. Lachha paratha, the best combination with your dal makhani. Some pickled onions, green chilies, along with a crispy papadum. This is my recipe of dal makhani, which I have mastered over a period of time, and I cook this recipe in my kitchen. It's not complicated, it's simple. I am sure you can also do this recipe in your kitchen. Looking forward to see you in our next episode of Gourmet at Home.